this is one term, this is other term. Then second, root 2 upon root 6 minus root 2 minus root 3 upon root 6 plus root 2. So these two we want to simplify. So let us solve first. First, 22 upon 2 root 3 plus 1 plus 17 upon 2 root 3 minus 1. Now in both the problem, this term we rationalize the denominator. This term also we rationalize the denominator. So the denominator of this term is 2 root 3 plus 1. So multiply and divide this first term by 2 root 3 minus 1. Numerator and denominator by 2 root 3 minus 1. The second term, denominator is 2 root 3 minus 1. Rationalize this denominator. So multiply numerator and denominator by 2 root 3 plus 1. So both first term and second term both we rationalize the denominator. So this is 22 upon 22 into 2 root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 3 plus 1 into 2 root 3 minus 1 plus 17 into, rationalize this denominator, 2 root 3 plus 1. Yes, 2 root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 3 minus 1 is already there. So multiply by 2 root 3 plus 1. So now we simplify. So this is 22 into 2 root 3 minus 1 upon, this will be a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus, wait, a plus b into a minus b. So that will be a square minus b square. 2 root 3 square minus 1 square plus 17 into 2 root 3 plus 1 divide by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So that is 2 root 3 square minus 1 square. So now we open the bracket, numerator 22 we multiply to, yes, now it is clear, camera. Wait for, it is clear now? Okay. Right. Now we open the bracket in the numerator. Wait, it will come. Now it is clear? Camera is clear? Okay. Yes. Yes. Now 22 we open the bracket to multiply to each term of the bracket. So 20 into 2 root 3 will be 44. Root 3, 22 into 2, 44. Minus 22 into 1, 22. Divide by 2 root 3 square is 4 into 4 into root 3 square is 3. 4 into 3 minus 1. Plus 17 into 2 root 3, open the bracket, that is 34 root 3 plus 17 into 1, 17 upon 2 root 3 square is 4 into root 3 square is 3 minus 1. So this is 44 root 3 minus 22 upon 4 into 3, 12, 12 minus 1 plus 34 root 3 plus 17 upon 12 minus 1. So this is 44 root 3 minus 22 upon 11 plus 34 root 3 plus 17 upon 11. Now denominator is same. Denominator is same. So I can add numerators. Yes, denominator of this term and this term is 11, 11 same. So I can add numerator. So this I can write 44 root 3 minus 22 plus 34 root 3 plus 17 and take denominator as 11. Now we add the like terms. 44 root 3 and 34 root 3. They are like terms. So 44 plus 34, yes, 78 root 3 minus 22 plus 17 minus 22 plus 17 minus 5 upon 11 and this is the answer. 78 root 3 minus 5 upon 11, this is the answer. Yes. Minus 5, no, because we have simplified. See, minus 22 plus 17 is minus 5. Second, I am planning to give homework. There is no third one in this. So this I am say the same way you will do. Same way, rationalize the denominator of first term, rationalize the denominator of second term. Yes. No. If I will not give homework, if you see the syllabus of this 9th standard maths, whatever homework I am giving, I am solving one similar problem, and then same type of problem I am giving homework, so that if you practice the same type of problem, you get the confidence. So solving the problem of homework will give you the confidence. Yes. Yes. Multiply and divide by root 6 plus root 2 and this by root 6 minus root 2. Multiply and divide. And this term you will take common. Simplify. This is minus. Then when you open this bracket, this minus inside sign will change. Now mute the microphone. Because in the we are uploading the video. In that recording it will come. What you will ask. So such type of questions should be asked to the class teacher. Now see, whichever problem we are doing, all are important for both point of view. Now sixth question, mark this important, such type of problem. Mark this important. Such type of problem can be asked. If x, only two sums. If x is root 5 minus 2 upon root 5 plus 2 x, root 5 minus 2 upon root 5 plus 2, and y is root 5 plus 2 upon root 5 minus 2, then find the following. First, find x square. Second, find y square. Third, it is asked find xy, x into y. In wait. No. In all this type of problem, remember, all this type of problem, you have to rationalize the denominator. You have to rationalize the denominator first and then simplify. All this type of problem, don't directly start with x square. This is over this part. Yes. see here. What is fourth? X square plus y square plus xy. Okay, write fourth one. X square plus y square plus xy means add all this. So let us see here. See here, in all this type of problem, don't directly start x square. First you have to rationalize the denominator and solve this. So x is root 5 minus 2 upon root 5 plus 2. Now simplify this, rationalize the denominator. Rationalize denominator. Yes. So you have to rationalize the denominator and simplify this. So that is root 5 minus 2 multiplied by root 5 plus 2 upon, not root 5 minus 2. This is root 5 minus 2, no? What is denominator? Root 5 plus 2. So multiply and divide by root 5 minus 2. Multiply and divide by root 5 minus 2. So x is, now this term is same. Yes, a into a square. Root 5 minus 2 whole square. No, that, see here, a minus b whole square is not equal to a square minus b square. This is not equal to a square minus b square, remember. If it is a plus b into a minus b, then I can write a square minus b square. So this term is same, a into a square. Then a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Yes, wait, mute the microphone. Root 5 minus 2 square. Root 5 square minus 2 square. So x is, now use the expansion a minus b whole square. So that is root 5 square minus 2 into root 5 into 2 plus 2 square upon root 5 square is 5, 2 square is 4. So x is root 5 square is 5 minus 2 into 2, 4 root 5. 2 into 2 I can multiply, plus 2 square is 4 upon 5 minus 4 is 1. So x is 5 plus 4, 9 minus 4 root 5. X is 9 minus 4 root 5. This is the simplification of x. We have rationalized the denominator and simplified x. Is it clear? In these type of problems, don't directly start with x square. Don't directly square. Rationalize the denominator of each one of them, x and y, simplify and get the simplified value of x. X was given this way, but after rationalizing denominator, we have simplified x and got x as 9. Not a, yes. Now we'll, yes. Which one? Now for x square I will square this. I didn't get. Now see, now before finding x square, you also simplify y also, and then at the end you find 1 more. Yes. Now it is coming clear. Now simplify y also. Don't find x square after this. No, don't square x square. This x square, y square, xy, this, all this we find at the end. But our first we have simplified x. Now similarly I will simplify y also. And then at the end I will find all these 4 values. So now consider y. Y is given root 5 plus 2 upon root 5 minus 2. Yes. Now rationalize the denominator. First you simplify x and y, then you find the value. Rationalize denominator. Rationalize denominator. So you will get y is root 5 plus 2 multiplied by root 5 minus 2. Root 5 plus 2. Denominator is root 5 minus 2. So this is root 5 minus 2 into root 5 plus 2. So y is, now same term is there. So this is root 5 plus 2 whole square upon a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, root 5 square minus 2 square. So wait, now use the expansion. Use the expansion a plus b whole square. So that is a square root 5 square plus 2 into root 5 into 2 plus 2 square. Wait, I am writing. Root 5 square is 5, 2 square is 4. So y is root 5 square is 5 plus 2 into 2, 4 root 5 plus 4 upon 1. Yes, so y is 9 plus 4 root 5. Y is 9 plus 4 root 5. 9 plus 4 root 5 upon 1, and this is the value of y. Now we have x and y. Now I will find each one of them separately. X square, y square, xy, that we start finding. So first it is x square. X square. What is the value of x? 9 minus 4 root 5. Square that. 9 minus 4 root 5, square this. So a minus b whole square. So that is 9 square minus 2 into 9 into 4 root 5 plus 4 root 5 square. A minus b whole square for x square. So x square is 9 square is 81. 2 into 9, 18 into 4, 72. 72 root 5 plus 4 square 16 into root 5 square is 5. 16 into 5. Board is not clear? Okay, wait. 81 minus 72 root 5 plus 80. Now it is clear, board? Board is clear? No, a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So 4 square 16, root 5 square 5, 16 into 5, 80. 81 plus 80, 161. No, 161, 81 plus 80, 161 minus 72 root 5. This is the value of x square. This is the value of x square. Now similarly you find y square. Y square. No, you cannot multiply. You cannot multiply. 81 and 80 you have to add. You cannot simplify 81 and 72 because they are not like term. Yes. Mute the microphone. Let us simplify y. Y is 9 plus 4 root 5. So this is 9 plus 4 root 5. Yes, square. Now we use the formula a plus b whole square. We use the formula, this part is over. A plus b whole square. Wait, let me simplify. Y square, a plus b whole square, that is 9 square plus 2 into 9 into 4 root 5 plus 4 root 5 square. 4 root 5 square. So y square is 9 square 81 plus 9 2 is 18, 4 is 72 root 5 plus 4 square 16 into 5 80. 81 plus 80 161. So y square is 161 plus 72 root 5. This is y square. Now it is asked xy. Find xy. Yes. Now third it is xy. So x is, wait, don't interrupt in between. Mute the microphone. X is, yes, ask the doubt. Ask the doubt. Yeah. No. In xy we multiply x and y. X value is given as, what is x given? 9 minus 4 root 5. This is x. We have simplified x, no? We have simplified x. Now this value you have to take x. You don't have to take x as the initial value. The value which was given of x and y, that value you will not take. You will take the simplified value of x and y. So after simplification, x was 9 minus 4 root 5 into y. Y is 9 plus 4 root 5. 9 plus 4 root 5. So now it is of the form a minus b into a plus b. Yes, a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square 4 root 5 square. So xy is 9 square is 81 minus 4 root 5 square is 80. So xy is 1. 81 minus 80, no? 81 minus 80 is 1. Now find fourth. X square plus y square plus xy. Wait. Today you are speaking a lot x square plus y square plus xy. Let me explain. Anything not understood, then only ask. X square is 161 minus 72 root 5. X square plus y square, just substitute the value. 161 plus 72 root 5 plus xy value is 1. We just simplify this. We put the value. Now in this, minus 72 root 5 and plus 72 root 5, this will get cancelled. Yes, this will get cancelled. So left is 161 plus 161 plus 1, 323. Very good. So x square plus y square plus xy is 323. So such type of problems you can expect in the board exam from this chapter. You are given the x and y. Yes, answer can be negative also. Does not matter. But what is important, without rationalizing the denominator of x and y and simplifying, don't directly start square. You have to simplify x and y and get the simplified value by rationalizing denominator, and then you have to simplify each one of them. Now let us take seventh one. Let us take seventh. Question number 7. All are important. Question. If m is 1 upon 3 minus root 8, n is 1 upon 3 plus root 8, then find first. Wait, 3 minus root 8 only you keep it, no problem. You can keep it 3 minus root 8 only. Find m square. Second, Yes? They are confused? Tell me. You keep root 8 only. Multiply and divide by 3 plus root 8. Does not matter. Don't write root 8 as 2 root 2. Keep root 8 only. Is it clear? So this seventh one I am going to give homework. The same type of problem. Seventh one I am going to give homework. Eighth one I am doing because eighth one is slightly different. Seventh one will be homework because same problem. See, you will rationalize denominator of m and n and simplify. Eighth one you can mark very much important. Eighth one mark very important and put 5 star. Means this is most favorite question. Eighth one, if x is 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Eighth one, 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Find first 1 by x, second x plus 1 upon x, and third x plus 1 upon x whole square. X plus 1 upon x square of this. So eighth one type of problems are important where you have to find 1 upon x. We are given x. From x we have to find 1 upon x. Does not matter, method will be same. So we have given x as we are given x as 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Is it clear? So taking reciprocal, see here, to get 1 upon x I will take reciprocal. So taking reciprocal on both sides, taking reciprocal to get 1 upon x I have to take reciprocal. So 1 upon x is 1 upon 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Is it clear? To get 1 upon x, no, the sign remains same when we take reciprocal. See, yes, now I will, in 1 upon x, I will rationalize denominator. In 1 upon x, to simplify 1 upon x, I will rationalize denominator. Very good. Some of you identify how we should proceed further. Very good. That approach should be there when you are learning maths. One step ahead thinking. This is x, we want 1 upon x. To get 1 upon x, I will take reciprocal. Now in denominator we have irrational term. So I will rationalize denominator of 1 upon x. So rationalize denominator, rationalize denominator. So you will get 1 upon x. 1 upon x I will keep as it is. So rationalize denominator. So rationalize denominator. So this becomes 1 upon. This we multiply and divide by 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2. So 1 into, no. 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2. Multiply and divide by this. 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2 into 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2. Rationalize denominator. Wait. So 1 upon x, 1 into this 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 upon, now denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So that is 2 root 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. So 1 upon x 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2, yes, upon 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 minus 4 into 2. So 1 upon x is 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 4 into 3, 12, 12 minus 8. So 1 upon x is, wait, 1 upon x from numerator, so this is 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 12 minus 8 is 4. Still we have to simplify. No. See, now wait. Now this is the value of 1 upon x. This is the value of 1 upon x. Is it clear? You can stop there, 1 upon x. No, trust me, we want to find 1 upon x, no? 1 upon x, this is the value of 1 upon x. Now we find x plus. No, because there it is root 3 and there it is root 2. So I cannot simplify. What I can do, at most I can take 2 common. At most I can take 2 common. And apart from taking 2 common, no simplification can be done because this is root 3 and this is root 2. So now we can stop here. 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 4. This is the value of 1 upon x. Now we find x plus 1 upon x. We find x plus 1 upon x. We find the value of x plus 1 upon x. X plus 1 upon x. Now you tell me what is x? X is 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2, correct? X. In place of x I will put this value. Plus 1 upon x. What is 1 upon x? What is 1 upon x? 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 4. This is the value of 1 upon x, no? This is the value of 1 upon x. Now we simplify. We simplify this as x plus 1 upon x. So this is 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 4. Now there I will take, see, there is nothing in the denominator, means it is 1. It is 1. I will take LCM. So I will multiply this by 4. I will multiply this by 4. So 4 into 2, 8 root 3 plus 4 into 2, 8 root 2 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 4. Taking LCM. So 8 root 3 plus 2 root 3. Like term I can add. Root 3 and root 3 they are like term. So 8 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 10 root 3. 8 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Root 2 and root 2 they are like term. Plus 8 minus 2 is plus 6. Yes. See, taking LCM as 4, this term I will multiply and divide by 4. And then I will simplify. So 4 into 2, 8 root 3 plus 4 into 2, 8 root 2 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 4. Now 8 root 3 and 2 root 3. Because of this root 3 they are like terms. So 8 root 3 plus 2 root 3, taking root 3 common, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 root 3. Plus 8 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Root 2 common in these two, it will be 8 minus 2, 6 root 2 upon 4. So x plus 1 upon. Yes. See, if denominator is not there and if there is multiplication, there we don't have multiplication, there I have addition. So I cannot use a plus b into a minus b. Is it clear? So 10 root 3 plus 6 root 2 upon 4. What you can do at most, yes, now what you can do, you can take common if you want, or you can stop there. In 10 and 6, what is common? 10 and 6. Denominator I have 4. No, you can stop. See, what I will advise you, you stop there. 10 root 3 plus 6 root 2 upon 4. This is the value of x plus 1 upon x. Let me take 1 minute and simplify x plus 1 upon x square. Let me simplify x plus 1 upon x square. Now square this. Squaring this, third, x plus 1 upon x square. What is x plus 1 upon x? 10 root 3 plus 6 root 2 upon 4 square, whole square. Now does not matter. Numerator a plus b whole square, 10 root 3 plus 6 root 2 square upon denominator 4 square. So now use formula a plus b whole square. So 10 root 3, that is 100 into 3, 300 plus 2 into 10 root 3 into 6 root 2 plus 6 square, 36 into 2, 72 upon 4 square, 16. So 300 plus 2 into 10, 20 is 120 root 6, root 3 into root 2, root 6 plus 72 upon 16. Now this I can add 300 plus 72, 372 plus 120 root 6 upon 16. This is the answer. X plus 1 upon x whole square. This is the answer. Yes, now with this we stop our... Yes. Yes? Yes. If you have written, you can leave because you have next period also, no? So do the homework and send me that in the personal WhatsApp. Wait. Do the homework and send me that in the personal WhatsApp. I will check it. See, keep the root 3 and root 2 I can multiply, but roots we can multiply, but roots we cannot add if they are different. No, how you can multiply? Okay. Everybody has written? 1 minute, wait. Okay, so you can try the other problems also. Yes. You can try, if you want, you can try the problem number 9. 9 and 10 you can try.